What up guys, Trey here with another Walkthrough Wednesday. We tend to be doing these on any day we can actually get to it because we've been so busy lately. So we might change the name to Walkthrough Whenever's Day. But anyway, here we go. So this X5 is getting a full front clear bra. And I believe we're actually doing some other cool stuff to it. We're doing Spectra Photosync, and we started off with a paint correction, a full body paint correction on this thing just to get that clear coat as glossy and as smooth and as beautiful as possible. And then we're getting all of the impact areas protected on it. These dudes are doing an excellent job hand trimming that clear bra like the Speed Shield Legacy way. So we'll have some after pictures of this thing soon. This Tributo is getting a full body gloss clear bra. Started off with a full body paint correction, as we typically do. We tend to find that most vehicles, even if they're brand new, straight from the dealership, need a little bit of work to that clear coat to make it look as good as possible. We're also going to add a windshield protection film because this is one of our really good clients and she takes her car on a lot of road rallies. She has a lot of fun with these cars, which is to be expected, and we love to see that. So we're going to do windshield protection film on it also, and it's going out of here probably in a week or two. It's a lot of film on that thing. This other X5, we're going to make it look similar to that M model X5, where we're going to black out all the trim, black out the wheels, and then after it's all blacked out, we're going to do a full front clear bra on it too. So that's going to look pretty good. It's going to look way sharper than when it came in. This Model Y here, we did a full front clear bra on it, and we also did some Spectra Photosync on it. Get these lights to come on back here. There we go. So that Model S got a full body paint correction, and we did a full front clear bra on it. We did full Spectra Photosync all the way around, including pano roof and windshield. And then we finished it up with BC04 from Modesta. That's the long-term quartz coating with the nano titanium particles in it. Super, super badass quartz coating. When we did research on a ton of brands, because that's how we do it, whenever we want to carry a new product or a new material, we get as many different manufacturers' materials in here as we can, and we test them. We put them on our own vehicles, we do accelerated weathering testing on them, and we figure out which ones are the best. Modesta is insane quality. They typically spend more time and more money on R&D, whereas a lot of the brands that we tested spend more time and money on marketing. So that's why we went with them. So this Cayman GT4 is getting a lot of clear bra as well. This is going to be a track car like most of these guys are, and it needs some really decent protection when it's out there on the racetrack. If any of you guys have been to the racetrack with your vehicles, you know it's just like driving on a gravel parking lot sometimes out there on the racetrack. You can hear your sticky tires when they get warm, just throwing pebbles everywhere, and it will obliterate your entire car. So the more clear bra you have, the happier you're going to be. We always tell customers you'll always figure out a reason why you're glad you had clear bra wherever you have it. So if you ask us, hey, should I put clear bra here? The answer is yes. It's always yes. But do what you want, spend what you want. That's what we're here for, is to give you all the options, educate people, spread the knowledge, and let you decide what's in your budget and what you want to spend on. This Maserati GT MC came to us to do some fix-up. They had bought this vehicle, and it had a pretty gnarly looking caliper paint on it, and we will post some pictures, some still pictures on our Facebook and on our website of that. we love helping people fix up the previous owner's mistakes. We love making things look great. We love taking a disaster and making it look stellar. So that's kind of what we did on these calipers. The Maserati logo was actually hand painted on the other ones, and you know, there's good hand painted stuff, and then there's not so good hand painted stuff. And he definitely wanted to improve the quality of it. You'll see in those pictures, it's a pretty drastic transformation from before and after. We are also blacking out some of this front grille area. So that's why we've got the grille removed right now. We'll blacken that sucker out to give it a more sinister look. So that's going to go back together real soon and hit the road. So you'll see it out there. This Model 3 over here got all the Spectra Photosync that it could, and we also did a full front clear bra on it, and we're doing some powder coating to the wheels. So that'll be looking sharp soon. And this little 560 SL got a full body paint correction. This thing was in pretty bad shape when it came in, needed a lot of TLC, and we really enjoy those projects because it's a drastic change from when the customer drops off to when they pick it up. And there's nothing better than having a customer come and get their vehicle and just be ecstatic about the way it looks. That's really what motivates us to deliver really high quality services and really high quality products. We love happy customers, and we just quartz coated it, so that's why you see the do not touch sign on it. We already cured it with our lights. You can see our lights back there in the corner. We stash them away so we'll have some room, but we have 2 banks of those massive infrared lights, and we bake all of the Modesta quartz coating that we install on these vehicles. That's the right way to do it. So therefore, a customer can pick up on a rainy day like it is today, and they don't have to worry about keeping it dry for 24 hours. They can actually, with confidence, pick it up in inclement weather and drive it away from here and have no issues. So there you have it. Some cool projects that we're working on today and for this week. So you guys always feel free to give us a shout, swing by. The proof is in the finished product. We always like to show you anything that we're working on at any time. We have earned the reputation by our finished work. So come see our finished work and see what you can do to your vehicle to keep it protected. All right, you guys, be good out there. Stay protected. Speed shield. Later.